Hey, what time is it? It's tool time. So today we're going to talk about flush cuts. I've been doing a bunch of wiring on Merle, which means I've been using a whole bunch of zip ties lately to route cables along with the factory harness, and making me really appreciate these guys. Something that's kind of often overlooked by a lot of people. I mean, I've been in automotive for a long time, and at least 3/4 of the guys that I even work with don't even have a set of these. And it just, they save your butt. So I know all of you you do your wiring, you reach down in there and you're running by all these old zip ties that you or probably someone else has done, and they're snagging on your hands and cutting your hands up, and it's a pain in the butt, and it's 100% avoidable. So the problem is most people are lazy about cutting their zip ties, right? You use the wrong cutters that don't cut flush to this, or you're just lazy, right? And you cut it like that. So then you go reaching in there, and now you got a nice little hook to cut your hand up with. What these do is, I don't know if you can see it on there, but their cutting surface is super flush with the very edge of it. So you're going in and you're cutting your zip ties, and it cuts right up flush with it. Problem solved. So these Klein ones are my favorites currently. I've used a lot of different brands of these over the years, from cheap ones to more expensive ones. So far, I gotta say, these ones have been my favorite. I'll link to them in the description. And remember, if you don't get started not setting yourself up to get cut with your zip ties in the future, you never get finished.